Hey guys, today's another beautiful day and let's make some croissants. First, let's make the pastry thinner and then cut the pastry into same size triangles. Take one piece of pastry, cut it open at the bottom, and then we're going to roll the pastry from the bottom to the top. And there you go, we have a croissant. Now we're going to bend both ends of the croissants to form a shape of horns. And for chocolate croissants, we're going to do the same, just wrap a piece of chocolate in the middle.
Enough just to get me through. Flowers in your hair, lipstick stains on my neck, the way you make me care. Without you I'm a train wreck, your lips on mine, I'm the lucky one. You're
The last step is to brush on some egg wash, give our croissants that golden color. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and put the croissants in for 15 minutes, and there you go.